Hey, what's going on? My name's Steve Williams, and I'm a clothing designer, fashion designer for Dead Canary Denim. It's my own clothing line. Well, actually, started by going to fit 'em. Everything inspires me, and I mean really anything and everything, and that's why I always keep an open eye, open ear to everything around me, whether it be people, whether it be places, whether it be things, I mean whatever. It's fun to do, it's exciting, I'm creative, so it allows me to express my creative person, I guess. Overall goal is to really take Dead Canary nationwide, I mean, and make it a big brand, make it an actual brand that you're going to hear and see all the time. My Facebook is www.facebook.com/deadcanarydenim. You can also follow Dead Canary Denim at Dead Canary Denim on Twitter. You can also buy my stuff on etsy.com/deadcanary. My name is Steve Williams, and I'm a raw artist.